Welcome to Funcation Academy's Open House. We're excited to introduce our new virtual learning pods. Our virtual learning pods are not your typical online classes. They're immersive learning experiences unlike anything else you have seen. Each pod is different, offering exciting, engaging, and interactive lessons and activities. Our pods are a perfect way for students to meet friends, engage in activities, and enjoy learning. We offer a wide range of pods to ensure your student can find a pod that develops their interest and skills. We have fun math pods, including financial literacy. Our immersive reading pods are designed to bring books to life. Our grammar pods introduce a captivating way to learn basic grammar and writing. Gaming and Pokemon pods are perfect for gamers. Animal lovers, we've got you covered with our incredible animal science pods. Our STEM and STEAM pods will elevate any budding scientist. Go back in time and rediscover the past with our history pods. We have specialty pods for our neurodivergent students designed to friendships and skills. Spanish and ASL pods take learning a foreign language to the next level. The creative arts pods are perfect for artistic students who love to draw, sew, act, sing, and digital art. Our life skills pods help students develop cooking skills and discover the beauty of helping others. Pod sizes are small to help students and educators build and develop a thriving community. Our pod students are not just limited to participating in online classes. Our Welcome Center and BizTown include free access to weekly fun clubs, over 40,000 digital books in our reading room, fun activities in our iCivics room, and a one-of-a-kind interactive BizTown with individual, group, and pod activities. We are excited for you to explore our campus and meet our educators. Here are a few quick tips to help you get started. Use your arrow keys or mouse to move your avatar. In the upper right-hand corner, you will see 3 icons. Select the first icon to see the campus in first-person view. Finally, click the logo in the lower left-hand corner to browse spaces and teleport to your destination. Have fun exploring, and remember, every room is different, so be sure to visit all of the classrooms, Welcome Center, and BizTown.